Crypto King is not a financial advisor.
You gon' learn today, you gon' learn today, you gon' learn today. Had to get it off, why not be the boss? Started in Tampa Bay. Life in the matrix will crumble you. Poverty struggle will humble you. Florida State, relocate, pack my bags and I moved to Colombia. Hola mujeres bonitas, they say that it's cheaper to keep her. That's why I learn more than you. Crypto, I'm learning you. Learn Crypto TV is turning to. Please don't waste my time. Learn, yeah. Please don't waste my time. Learn today. Crypto TV. Please don't waste my time. Learn Crypto TV. Please don't waste my time. Learn Crypto TV.
Welcome to Learn Crypto TV Updates, your go-to source for the latest happenings in the world of cryptocurrency. I'm your host, Carlos, and I'm thrilled to be here with you today. Each episode of Learn Crypto TV Updates will feature the most important news stories, regulatory changes, and industry events that are shaping the future of cryptocurrencies. We'll break down the complex topics, decode the jargon, and provide to you a clear understanding of the crypto landscape. So get ready to dive into the latest crypto updates, gain valuable insights, and stay on top of this dynamic industry. Join us for every episode for Learn Crypto TV Crypto Updates, where we will bring you the latest news and trends that matter most to crypto enthusiasts like you. Here's this week's weekly performance analysis of the top ISO 222 cryptocurrencies. This analysis provides a comprehensive overview of weekly performances of the top cryptocurrencies that adhere to the ISO 20022 standard. So looking at the performance over the ISO 222 standard cryptos, we see that Algorand over the week has gained over 4.9%, almost 5% on the week, coming in at 11 cents. Then we have in second place IOTA coming in at 16 cents with a gain over the weekly period of 1.1%. And we have Hedera HBAR rounding out our top three performance cryptos for the ISO 222 standard, coming in at 4 cents, good gaining 1% over the week. Stay tuned next week to see how your crypto portfolio has been performing over the weekend. In a recent development, the Securities and Exchange Commission has responded to requests made by Coinbase, a prominent cryptocurrency exchange, for clarity on various crypto-related regulations. The SEC's response indicates that they require additional time to thoroughly assess the matter. Coinbase had sought guidance on issues like lending of crypto assets and the classification of certain tokens. This delay in response from the SEC has left the cryptocurrency industry waiting for clearer guidelines, as regulatory clarity is crucial for companies operating in this space. The outcome of this ongoing dialogue between Coinbase and the SEC will likely have implications for the broader crypto industry moving forward. A court has rejected the Securities and Exchange Commission's request to freeze the assets of Binance.us, a prominent cryptocurrency exchange operating in the United States. However, the court did approve an agreement between Binance.us and the SEC to expedite the case. The SEC had filed a lawsuit against Binance.us alleging that the exchange violated securities laws by allowing customers to trade digital tokens that were unregistered securities. The court's decision not to freeze Binance.us indicates that the exchange can contribute its operations while the case progresses. The approved agreement to expedite the case suggests that the court recognizes the importance of resolving this matter efficiently. This legal battle between Binance.us and the SEC will likely have implications for the regulation of cryptocurrencies in the United States, as it highlights the ongoing efforts to establish clarity and oversight in the industry. In a concerning turn of events, an article highlighting how the Securities and Exchange Commission has targeted the crypto exchange, causing their emergency fund to diminish. The SEC's actions have created uncertainty and a potential financial strain for the exchange. The article raises questions about the impact of regulatory scrutiny on the crypto industry and the ability of the exchanges to weather such challenges. With the SEC's increased focus on the crypto space, exchanges are being subjected to legal actions and investigations, leading to financial repercussions. The situation underscores the need for clearer regulations and guidelines to provide stability and protect both investors, businesses operating in the cryptocurrency market. This article serves as a reminder that the ongoing tension between regulatory bodies and crypto industry, emphasizing the importance of finding a balanced approach that fosters innovation while safeguarding against potential risk. U.S. prosecutors have stated that Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of the FTX cryptocurrency exchange, will face a trial on the original 8 criminal charges brought against him. These charges include violations related to the market manipulation and other unlawful activities. The decision to proceed with this trial indicates the prosecutors believe that they have sufficient evidence to pursue the case. The outcome of this trial will have significant implications on SBF and the broader cryptocurrency industry, as it will shed light on the legal boundaries and consequences surrounding crypto-related activities. The case will likely be closely watched by industry participants and regulators as they navigate the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency. Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, has decided to exit the Netherlands after failing to secure regulatory approval from the DNB, or the Dutch Central Bank. It has been operating in the country under a temporary registration agreement. As a result, Binance has chosen to cease its operations in the Netherlands and focus working with regulators in other jurisdictions. France has initiated an investigation into Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, over the potential money laundering and regulation compliance breaches. The investigation comes as regulators around the world increase their scrutiny of cryptocurrency platforms to ensure compliance with anti-money laundering consumer protection regulations. In a notable move, investment management giant BlackRock has filed documents with the SEC Securities and Exchange Commission to launch a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF. The filing marks BlackRock's entry into the cryptocurrency space, potentially bringing more institutional investors to Bitcoin. The ETF, is approved, would allow investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin through traditional investment channels. BlackRock's decision to venture into the crypto market demonstrates the increasing acceptance and interest in digital assets among the mainstream financial institutions. The Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission has reportedly pressed HSBC and Standard Chartered, 2 major banks, to onboard cryptocurrency clients and establish appropriate safeguards for their operations. The FFC's push aims to ensure that the banks can effectively address the growing demand for crypto-related services while adhering to regulatory requirements and implementing robust anti-money laundering measures. This move reflects a broader trend of traditional financial institutions grappling with the integration of cryptocurrencies into their business models. It also signifies the increasing recognition of cryptocurrencies as legitimate asset classes that require appropriate regulatory oversight and risk management. Binance's subsidiary in Cyprus has applied for deregistration as a cryptocurrency service provider. This move comes amidst increased regulatory scrutiny on the global cryptocurrency exchange. The decision to voluntarily seek deregistration suggests a strategic shift for Binance, possibly aiming to streamline its operations and navigate the regulatory challenges. The impact of the decision on Binance's operations and future remains. Binance.US, the United States arm of the global cryptocurrency exchange Binance, has claimed that a temporary restraining order sought out by the Securities and Exchange Commission would essentially bring an end to its business operations. The SEC had filed a lawsuit against Binance.US, alleging that the exchange violated security laws. Binance.US argues that the requested order would prevent it from continuing its business impact and its ability to serve its customers. The outcome of this legal battle will have significant implications for the broader crypto industry, as it could set precedents for the regulatory actions against cryptocurrency exchanges operating in the United States. In a significant political move, House Republicans have introduced a bill aimed at removing Gary Gensler, the current chair of the Securities Exchange Commission. The bill reflects growing tensions between Republicans and Gensler over the regulatory approach, particularly in the realm of cryptocurrencies. However, it is important to note that the bill's passage is uncertain, as it will require support from both the House and the Senate. This development underscores the ongoing debate and power dynamics surrounding regulatory oversight of the financial industry and cryptocurrencies in the United States. Despite ongoing scrutiny from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, a Hong Kong legislator has extended an invitation to Coinbase, a major crypto exchange, to establish its presence in the region. This gesture highlights Hong Kong's interest in attracting cryptocurrency businesses and fostering innovation in the sector, despite the regulatory challenges faced by exchanges like Coinbase. In a significant move, Robinhood, the popular trading platform, has announced plans to delist certain tokens that have been declared securities by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The decision comes as a part of Robinhood's effort to comply with regulatory requirements and ensure the protection of its users. By delisting these tokens, Robinhood aims to align the SEC guidelines and avoid potential legal consequences. The specific tokens to be delisted have not been disclosed yet. The decision marks a shift in the Robinhood's approach towards compliance and regulatory adherence, signaling the growing influence of regulatory bodies shaping in cryptocurrency's land space. This move also highlights the challenges faced by platforms navigating the complex regulatory environment surrounding these digital assets. A prominent U.S. tech investor has announced plans to open an office in the UK, citing the country's crypto-friendly approach as a motivating factor. The investor recognizes the UK's progressive stance toward cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, which has attracted numerous crypto firms and projects. As we conclude this week's episode, we have witnessed the significant developments in the cryptocurrency industry, from regulatory challenges and investigations to major players entering in the new markets, and the landscape continues to evolve. The push for clearer regulation and compliance measures highlights the need for a balanced approach to foster innovation while protecting investors. We look forward to seeing how these dynamics unfold in the coming weeks and the impact they will have on the future of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Join us next time for more updates on the ever-changing world of digital assets.
Learn